Hello guys, this is the first session of AngularJS. In first session, I'm going to cover what is AngularJS, introduction of AngularJS, basic coding in AngularJS, and AngularJS versus jQuery, which is very important because there are many users of jQuery. So let's start with what is AngularJS. Oh man, so many questions. So AngularJS is an open source JavaScript framework which is developed by Google. I'm going to give a training on AngularJS 1.x version. But in coming sessions, I will also cover 2.x version. It helps you to create a single page application or one page web application. We will discuss single page application and one page web application in how to use AngularJS in project series. It is not a JavaScript library. Correct. There are no function which we can directly call or use. It's not a function, it's not a library. It's a framework. It is not a DOM manipulation library like jQuery, correct? But it uses a subset of jQuery for DOM manipulation that is called jqLite. The most important thing is focus more on HTML side of web apps. It means AngularJS allows you to enhance the HTML vocabulary. You can define your own directives. It is based on MV* pattern. It allows you to well build well structured directories, well structured applications, easily testable applications, and maintainable front end application. So this is the brief introduction of AngularJS. Next, basic coding. We need only JavaScript file, AngularJS JavaScript file. Apart from that, we do not need anything. Let's start the basic coding. Let's start with the basic HTML template. One extra bracket. Okay. Give the title. It's a first example. Okay. We need a script tag. We have to define Angular JavaScript file source path. Let's start. See, in AngularJS, you need only AngularJS JavaScript file. You can download this AngularJS file from official site. Just click on download, double click on CDN. I'm using CDN because it has some benefits, better caching, decreased latency, increased parallelism. You can also use Bower. Bower is a dependency management tool. We are covering Bower in how to use AngularJS in project. Same NPM also. Let's copy it, paste it. Let's start div AngularJS example or expression example 1. Expression example 1. Okay, let's see. It is inside training tutorial folder, run index.html. It is running. AngularJS expression example 1 is coming. Let's check whether we have a Angular min.js. Yes, we have it. Angular min.js is included. Okay. So let's run the one expression, addition expression. 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. It should run and it should give you 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Let's see. Oh man, now there is a problem. The double brackets, double curly brackets and 2 plus 2 is coming as a text. Why? It should be 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Why it is coming as 2 plus 2 is equal to plain text? The reason is AngularJS is not a library. It's a framework. jQuery is a library. If you use jQuery, you can use the functions. But AngularJS is not a library, it's a framework. To start the framework, to start the AngularJS engine, you need to define ng-app. Now, check it again. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Say it is working now. Because ng-app is the directive which starts the engine, which tells the Angular compiler to compile this code. And Angular compiler very well knows about the double curly braces. That's why it is running very well. Let's try another example. Check 10 plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 10. So what should be the answer? 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 or 10 plus 10 is equal to plain text? We can verify. Again, 10 plus 10 is equal to plain text. So what is the reason? The reason is same, ng-app. We have defined ng-app over this zip. So Angular compiler is only compiling this particular line of code. It is not compiling a line, but it is not compiling a div of 10 plus 10. So do we need to keep separate? So do we need to duplicate the ng-app? No, we don't have to duplicate the ng-app. We can define ng-app at body tag. We can define it here. You want to try? See, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. And you can define ng-app at HTML tag. It is working. It is working very well. So this is the way in which expression work. If you remove ng-app, Angular will not work, whether you have included AngularJS or not. But if you have included ng-app, then the particular area whichever covered by ng-app will work. Okay, next try. We can do multiplication, subtraction. Let's do subtraction, do multiplication, we can also perform division. We can perform addition, delete, multiplication, division, everything we can perform here. Okay, let's see what is the solution. 10 minus 10 is equal to 10, 10 into 10 is equal to 100, 10 by 10 is equal to 1. We can also define strings here. If you want to define a string, then a string is inside expression. You can also define strings. The string is a string, so it should print as a string. String is a string. Then you can also define JSON. JSON is key 1, value 2. Sorry, this is correct. See, key is 1, value is 2. If you want to get the value, then value is, if you want to get the key and if you want value, just define key. It will give key. If you want to print value, it will print value. In a similar way, you can define array also. One, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. See, array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want a particular index, you can get the particular index also. So this is all about the introduction of AngularJS. So basic needs are ngApp, AngularJS file, right? Anything important? Yeah, important is ngApp, where to keep ngApp. So always define ngApp at the HTML tag or a body tag. Okay, let's see the benefits. Benefits of AngularJS over jQuery. Nowadays, many people are using AngularJS. Many companies are using AngularJS. But why? What are the extra feature it has? What are the benefits it has over jQuery? Let's check. It provides a localization, internationalization. We will cover all these extra features in coming sessions. So let's check out the list first. What are the features it provides? What are the extra feature it provides? That's why it is very popular in market. The extra features are localization, form validation, deep link routing, dependency management. Dependency management is very important. It gives you dependency injection. We will work on it in detail. Two-way data binding, templating, MVC pattern support, integration test runner, RESTful API. We will cover all these extra features in coming sessions. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you. Thanks a lot.